Welcome to the ultimate guide comparing carbon film and metal film resistors. We will explore the key differences to help you choose the right component for your electronic projects. Resistors are fundamental electronic components that control the flow of electricity by opposing the current. They are essential for protecting circuits and managing voltage levels. Though they may look similar, carbon film and metal film resistors offer very different performance characteristics in your electronic designs. The core difference lies in their resistive material. Carbon film uses a layer of carbon powder, while metal film uses a thin, precisely controlled layer of metal alloy on a ceramic core. Metal film resistors offer superior tolerance, delivering pinpoint accuracy with tolerances as low as plus or minus 0.1% compared to the plus or minus 5% to 10% tolerance of carbon film resistors. Stability is another key factor. Metal film resistors maintain their resistance value better when subjected to temperature changes, making them more stable in hot conditions. Metal film resistors produce significantly less electrical noise, ensuring a much cleaner signal compared to the higher noise levels inherent in carbon film resistors. Metal film resistors boast excellent long-term stability and a longer lifespan, offering resistance to moisture and other environmental stresses better than their carbon counterparts. Metal film resistors are generally superior for applications requiring higher power handling and high-frequency performance due to their lower inductance. Carbon film resistors are inexpensive and ideal for general-purpose circuits. Metal film resistors, while slightly more expensive, provide necessary precision for critical applications. This spec sheet summarizes the differences. Carbon film is cheap, but less precise and stable. Metal film is more expensive, but highly accurate, stable, and offers low noise. Audiophiles often choose metal film resistors for audio equipment because their low noise and high stability ensure the purest, cleanest sound reproduction possible. Carbon film resistors are best for basic, low-cost projects, power supplies, and general-purpose applications where high precision is not critical. Metal film resistors are essential for precision instruments, medical devices, high-end audio gear, and any application where accuracy and safety are paramount. In conclusion, choose carbon film to save money on non-critical general circuits and opt for metal film when you need exact, stable, and low-noise results.